Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this Coachmen Apex Nano. It's a pre-owned unit. It's a 2016. It's in great shape. It's a 172 CKS model. If you come around over here, we'll just take a quick look. It's got one pop out on it, and it's got storage on each side. There's a little storage compartment on each side, which is nice. And it's a lightweight unit. Here's the other storage unit. Storage space, I should say, rather. Nice power awning outside, outdoor speakers. It's a great little unit for short timers. Nice dining area. Got all the bases covered. That kitchen is a nice pop out, gives you some counter space up above, a nice little fridge, 2-burner cooktop, your sink's over here. What's nice is this bathroom on this unit. For a small unit, it's got some great storage. If you pop open one of those cabinets, you can look inside and they're really deep, so you can get a lot of gear in there, which is nice for a small trailer to have this kind of storage. Nice little corner shower. For a small unit, it's got a lot, like I said, a lot of storage. If you come over here, Jim, and open that up, big storage areas, nice big table, and then of course the table will fold down and you slide the cushions over and you make your bed here. Folks, this is a great little starter unit for somebody, for a young couple or something. If you're interested in this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, please give me, Big Sal, a call, 951-443-8323. Thanks.